Hello everyone. Today we will see the recipe of making delicious street style paneer fried rice made at home. Let's get into the recipe now. Soak 4 cups of basmati rice in water for 20 minutes. Now boil water, and once the water boils, add few drops of oil and add the soaked rice. The water measurement is it should cover the rice. If there is not enough water, add little more water and mix it well so that the rice will not get stick together at the bottom. Meanwhile, we will marinate the paneer pieces. I am adding 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce. Finally, I am going to add juice of half lemon. This marination is only for the paneer pieces, so add accordingly. Now mix everything together with the help of the spoon. Add 1 tablespoon of water and mix it. Marinating masala is now ready. Let's add the cubed paneer pieces now. Mix it well without breaking the paneer cubes. Malai paneer will not work for this fried rice, so add normal paneer. Let this rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's check out the rice. It is almost cooked. It should not be mushy and it should not be undercooked. It should be a tight consistency to eat. Strain all the water from the rice using a colander and spread it in a wide plate or pan like this so that it will get cooled down. Spread the rice like this so that it will get cooled down completely without breaking. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil and I am going to fry the marinated paneer pieces for 30 seconds on each side, so total 1 minute. If you fry more than that, the paneer will turn very hard and you will not be able to eat it. After 30 seconds, flip the paneer pieces onto other side. Fry the paneer pieces for another 30 seconds on the other side. Once done, immediately remove the paneer pieces from the pan which we fried. Delicious paneer fries are now ready for the paneer fried rice. You can taste it now. It will taste very good even at this stage. Keep them aside for a few minutes. Now heat the pan with the same oil, and here I have chopped 10 to 12 garlic, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 big onion and some bell peppers. So we are going to fry everything one by one. First I am adding the finely chopped garlic pieces and I am going to add green chilies along with that. Once we get the flavor out of the garlic, then only we will add onions. So let it get fry for 1 minute separately. Fry the garlic pieces and scrap the bottom of the pan because we already cooked the paneer pieces and it would have stick to the bottom, so it may get burnt. And then after 1 minute, once the flavor comes out, add the finely chopped onions. Let the onions get cooked until they turn translucent. At this stage you can add the bottom part of the spring onions also. Here I have added 1 big onion. Now add the finely chopped bell peppers. You can add any type of bell peppers. Here I have added green and red varieties. Carrot and beans will not go well with paneer fried rice, so I have added bell peppers. Now I am adding salt required for the fried rice. Remember, we already added salt for the paneer, so add accordingly. Bell peppers will get cooked in a minute. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. You can even use green chili sauce. And I am going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Remember, I have added 4 cups of rice. If you are making it little lesser, then reduce the quantity of the sauces also. Soya sauce, chili sauce and tomato ketchup itself have some salt in it, so add salt only for the rice and the vegetables. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Salt everything well. By this time bell pepper would have cooked very well. Now we will start adding the cool down rice. Make sure the rice is cooled down well, else it will break easily. Now I am going to mix everything. Mix it slowly without breaking the rice. First give a light mix, then add the fried paneer cubes and then give a good mix of everything together. So add paneer cubes while in the middle of mixing. If you like this video, hit a like button and subscribe to my channel Instant Pot and Favorites for more videos like this by pressing the bell icon. Our delicious street style paneer fried rice is now ready to serve. Do try this recipe. Hope you like this. Thank you.